Let's have a look at some really simple formula like add, subtract, multiply and divide. So what we want to do here is we want to click the cell where we want to put our formula in. We always start our formula with equals. Then I'm going to click the first number I want to use. I'm going to put an operator that I want to use, so this one's add, so I'm going to use a plus. And then I want to click the second number that I want to use and press enter. If I want to use the same formula multiple times, I can replicate it by clicking the original formula, going to the little green box in the corner and dragging it down. Here's a subtract for you now. Same sort of situation. We start with equals. We click our first number. We use our operator that we want to use, which is the takeaway, the subtract. Click the second number and press enter. And again, we can replicate this down using the little green box in the corner. The next one's multiply. Start with equals. Click your first number. Use the asterisk. Click your second number. Press enter. Replicate it down. Divide. Same thing. Equals. Click your first number. A forward slash is the sign for divide. And then click your second number. And then we can replicate that down too.